Let's check out my latest update on FTMO free trial challenge. Hello there guys, hope you're doing okay. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel, activate the bell, and if you wanted to get your hand over a copy of my forex EAs, all you need to do is subscribing and activate the bell, and also introduce yourself with which country you're from, and that would be it, and then you would have a chance to win a copy on the weekly basis. So all this goes back to the amount of engagement I get. So if I kind of be happy with the engagement, I definitely will reward you guys anyway. So with that out of the way, I started working on my manual trading as well as to be honest with you, I still may try to tweak my bots in background, but then didn't want to have any interruption with my wish of learning more manual trading skills. Therefore it's time consuming, but I found it could be very profitable if you know what you're doing. So I may show you some of the techniques I already learned, but just before wanted to show you an update on, I think this is my third or fourth free FTMO challenge which I am taking and actually took. So it says like days being like 2 days, and obviously that's not passed, but my daily loss being actually more. Yesterday I was in almost 1,500 loss, and overall I mean 2,600 loss. And wanted to show you what is my approach getting these results anyway. And then profit targets, I could manage to get it to 748 from minus, so I don't know what minus it was, but let's assume it was minus 2,600 as it shows anyway. Yeah, I managed to get it to positive, and also it was like 748 into this, which I need to get to 5,000 in remaining, let's say, week, and tomorrow and after tomorrow as being first week. So because in total you have 2 weeks, like two working weeks, which is like 10 days anyway. So that's about that. If I go to the graph as well, it shows a massive drop down over here. You see 2,000, that's a drawdown over there, and then I managed to get it up and up and up, and then to the point I already have 748, which I closed a trade this morning. As I woke up, I closed a trade on my accounts. I will show you. So this is my latest FTMO, and on the other FTMO I failed again. I don't know if it's this fourth or five, but that's the point. I have to practice and practice and practice and practice, no matter how long it's gonna take, because at the end you get the confidence, and then what you'll be doing, and then you would have more peace in mind. You can do it, and then actually free yourself from all the crap finance obstacles. I know if you're gonna feel it, I know how it feels. It's just so crap anyway. So that's what we want to do. We want to get a financial freedom for us, and just save us from the unwanted lifestyle we're in. I'm the same. I'm no different, honestly. I'm the same. So that was about that. I'm gonna show you, if I see if this one is wait a minute. So if I 2,142, yeah, it's this one, yeah, because I have multiple open over here. So over here, see guys, I got the big one over there and some losses, and I'm going to tell you what I'm doing to get this stuff going on. So So this was in minus, and then I brought it back. So you see a lot of losses over there. Okay, so in terms of trading, if I go back to trading view, yeah guys, so as you know, I'm an honest guy and I'm not making things up. I'm telling you what I'm doing and what's my current approach, because it's hard. So you cannot just stay over there and just practice and then hope things go right. So what I'm doing is like using free signals and unpaid signals. You can find them on YouTube if you search for let's say more experienced traders. You can more often find them offering signals to you, whether with free or paid. That's what you can use. And meanwhile, I'm working on the skills I kind of learn and try to. At the moment, I'm trying to learn price action. I found that price action, as the best, because one of the guys I'm getting the free signals of. To be honest, his signals were absolutely accurate, and then I made a couple of thousand on the mark, and I will show you in a minute. But I'm going to tell you about the kind of strategy and technique I'm using. You see, guys, so I kind of predicted it right. So I said it because I was here. So if I'm going to show, this is on USD CAD. So obviously, I don't know what the software you use, but I'm using TradingView as many is recommend using it because you can customize it in multiple ways, and they have so many tools to use and analyze and then predict the price the way you want, actually the way it's going to be, obviously. But I love it because you can customize and then plug in a lot of indicators and stuff and then actually make it nicer. So let me show this to you. I got this indicator as well free off of YouTube. One of the channel actually kind of offered it in exchange with following them on YouTube, Twitter. So in this you can see we started the London session. London session is the green one, and then the kind of pinkish red one is New York session. Even last night I think it was like Tokyo session or a Sydney session. I'm not sure about that, but I set this trade. You see, I set this trade. If I go back, what time was it? So I kind of set it here. 22. So 10 o'clock. I set this trade, and then I kind of closed and actually cut off trading. And this morning when I woke up, I seen it. It came down. So it came down to the profit area. Let's say, you see, it came down all the way here, and then made me. So if I kind of hide this one, made me $280, and actually you see it's going downward as well. So just wanted to close it early. This was this one, 268 on USD CAD. You see, that was correct. So USD CAD. So my approach is on this one. That was absolutely my own trade, my own analyze and stuff. So I didn't use free signal for that. So I've been told actually market kind of travels and go through the levels. So when you see the most recent price, like the lowest price, that would be your base after price. So I chose this one, and then it goes like this. So you would have level this level, and then it goes up, and then you create this level. They create this level, and then it drops down, and then create this level. I'm not naming the levels by the name because mainly I was told it goes from level 3 to level 1 to level 2, then level 3, then level 1, level 2, then level 3. Because over here you're gonna see we don't have the same pattern, but still we have one level here, then one level there, and then one level there. So what I'm saying is kind of impulsing. So it comes down, it goes up. It comes down, it goes up. So it comes down, but you don't know, so you just predict. Actually, that's why you want to be safe. You would have your stop loss and you will have your take profit. That's so important, guys. Yeah, so that's how I do it. But as I said, I found price action much better and then much profitable. So if I go to this one, I'm going to show you how much I kind of earned using free signals, even with I don't know why I kind of lost 280 and almost 300 over here, being last night, I think. Yeah, last night for some reason I lost it, but anyway, so even a part of that, with that, I made $11,334 yesterday alone. I mean, yeah, yesterday alone. You see, this is on a demo account, obviously. Demo account, 100K, and then that's a possibility. So guys, this is, imagine if this was my own real account. Honestly, I just love you know, the signals I'm getting. But then what you can do, once you get the, you know, like the signals, you can check out the, let's say, this is what I'm doing. Check out the that was mainly on gold. Check out how they ended up, you know, giving you the signals that way. Then you can even ask them what strategy, what, you know, technique you use to predict the price the way you gave me, because they're gonna give you, okay, start, you know, entry point is this, stop loss is this, and then a take profit if it's multiple take profit, so you have to enter like multiple times. Enter here with this stop loss. Let's say if it was coming down, yeah, you were profiting downward by selling, obviously. When it's downward, you predict the price is gonna drop, you're gonna profit by selling. When it's upward, you're gonna profit by buying. Profit when it goes upward. Anyway, so I'm not gonna tell you really, because I'm not that expert yet, but I'm learning. So they say you have to earn as you learn, and then always try to, you know, build up. I mean, go backwards. So start from you know, bigger time frame, then from 1 week to 1 day, and then 4 hours. That's what I do, and then till 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, I kind of predict and then actually do the pricing. I mean, do the charting, whether to buy or sell. Over here as well, I think you see the guys, I didn't make this, so it was over there last night. So I think that's what I'm telling you. I got this one right as well, you see. So I said, okay, price is gonna go down by the levels, but as I said, price action is completely different, so I have to learn it, because that guy, as I said, on you know, the 100K, which got me 11,000 you know, profit, uses price action, so I have to learn it. So price is going down and just, you know, retracing back. That's all I know so far. But then that's it, guys. So try to learn, educate yourself with trading, because it's definitely worth it and it's gonna change your life, guys. So if you like my video, please give your thumbs up, or if you disliked it, please tell me why you disliked it, and then comment below the reason you didn't like it anyway. And then if you have any feedback, it will be much appreciated. Give it to me so I can improve my videos. And then if you wanted to have a copy of the bot I used to use, and then I'm using in background, trying on, you know, demo accounts, again, you need to subscribe, activate the bell, and then introduce yourself, which country you're from, and then you will have the chance to win on weekly basis. Again, everything goes back to the engagement I get. If I don't get engagement enough, to be honest with you, I wouldn't even think about, you know, giving away. That's simple as that. So I'm gonna be honest, as I'm honest always. If I be happy, I would be you know, more than generous to give away things to you guys, because then that's how it is. Anyway, guys, Hope you be safe, and then I will see you next one. Take care. Bye.